This video is going to be a little different from what you're used to seeing on our channel, but we feel this is the best way to get the word out about some pretty exciting news we have. We're scouting around looking for an experienced video host to add to our already awesome video team. AT3's YouTube channel is growing fast and we want to keep that train rolling. I know for me, watching videos was instrumental in learning the ins and outs about guns. And one thing we value as a company is making sure we're helping spread the knowledge for everyone in the 2A community. So if you have experience being on camera, are enthusiastic and passionate about firearms, this could be the video that changes your life. We're looking to add 2 spots to our video team, a video content manager and another general video host. But before I get into those positions and what they're going to entail, I do want to give you a heads up. We really value the team we can create with an in-person environment and being in the office. So unless you're currently in Minnesota or willing to relocate to Minnesota, this may not work out for you. The positions that we're looking to add is a general video host. The video host will be responsible for creating videos for YouTube, some reels and stories for social media. And what we're really looking for is a full-time person, but we're not against it being part-time for the right individual. For the other position, we're looking to hire a video content manager that can also be a host for videos. The perfect person would be able to strategize video planning and be an overall expert in YouTube and really know how to read and analyze the numbers to help the channel grow. If you're interested, check out the links in the description to apply, or if you know anyone that might be a good fit, make sure to share this video with them.